The permit office provides permits as well as help, from planning new construction to remodeling a home or business to demolition of structures. The permit office works with citizens across the parish to maintain a safe community. Citizens, as well as government and private agencies, use the records the permit office holds as a source of information.
Not for just your obvious reasons, such as your health and safety and of the structures that you're going to be living and working in, but yes, for property value reasons, for state and federal funding. Oftentimes, people will use the permit office as a base for record keeping. Insurance companies use this all the time. State and federal agencies will call our offices. Lending, mortgage companies will call our office for records.
While the permit office is a source of record keeping, it is up to each individual to contact the office to determine if a permit is necessary for a project.
Permits are required for most anything that you do as far as development goes. We're talking any type of new construction, residential, commercial, industrial, any type of remodeling project that you may have, if you're remodeling the interior of your home or business. Also, if you're adding on to your home or adding on to a business or storage building, all of those need permits. Workshops, things of that nature also. If you're doing any electrical work, if you're upgrading your panel box on the inside, your circuit breaker box, if you are rewiring your home, if you're changing out plumbing, not necessarily fixtures. If you're changing a sink or a toilet, we're not so much interested in that sort of thing. But if you're actually changing the piping to those, we're definitely going to want to see that.
Along with construction projects, moving a mobile home requires a permit from the permit office.
If you are replacing one manufactured home with another, or if you're moving a home and you're replacing it with a manufactured home, you'll need to get a permit prior to. Even if you move your manufactured home from one place on your property to another spot on your property, on the same piece, you still have to get a permit from our office.
When planning any type of project that may require a permit, it is best to call the office first to make sure you have everything that's needed before you come in.
Call first or visit our website, which will give you a checklist that you can pull up. It's very easy. New residences, manufactured homes. Basic information, though, for obtaining a permit is usually your legal description of your piece of property, health unit approval for any type of sewer system that you are wanting to install or tie into, a good site plan, something hand-drawn. It doesn't have to be professionally done, showing where the proposed structure is going to be and any existing structures that are on the property, storage buildings, workshops, where your driveway access is, property lines, width and depth of your property. This gives us a good idea of what is out there, where it's going to be placed, so that we can make sure that your setbacks are going to be met. Those are all things that we look for. Once you come in with all the documentation that we need to permit, we'll enter it into our computer system as a pending application. We'll submit your plans, commercial, residential, into plans review. Once we get everything back from the plans reviewer, permit officer finishes up entering everything into the permit. Customers called. We give them a total on the permit cost and come on in and pick it up.
For the Parish Line, I'm Jessica Conrad.